So the fact that this telescopic extensible ladder comes with wheels, and this one supports 330 pounds and goes up to 16.5 feet long, it's just something that makes this one to be one of the good ladders. Because again, just how easy you can just transport this one, as you can see over here, with the wheels. So that is really cool. But not only that, once that you get it all kind of like folded down and collapse, it takes no room. Like you can just drop it in the trunk of your truck or on the trunk of your SUV or something like that. And this one won't take too much space. But again, 16.5 inches, actually feet, not inches, that won't be that much, feet. And of course, the 330 pounds capacity of this one, which comes right here with this strap. So you just free the strap, you're gonna find all the instructions how to use it right here. We're gonna drop this one, and also right here on the top, which now it's unlocked, you're gonna find, let me show you. So this one, you can see that now it's locked, and then if I do this on the side, this one is unlocked, and I can just keep going, and comes with hooks right here on top. Let's actually take a closer look. So taking a closer look to the base first. This one, the base, is gonna be the one that you're gonna kind of like find the most stable. It has this really big pads over here that they're locked, this really big like rubber pads they're locked, as well as the wheel down here. And this one is gonna kind of like go inside like this. I didn't actually put it because I didn't have the sense to put it, because as it is really kind of like firm and stable. But these two will be down there, one in each side. You have the wheels right here, remember, and if you want, you can just like strap it back in if you kind of like want to have this one just like that, or you can just put it like this. I wouldn't do it. I would just like put it on the side or something like that, just for this one not be in the way. But remember, you have this first step, which is really stable, really firm, and the wheels, because this one's gonna be kind of like the base. Now, if I own these steps over here, let's actually unhook it. You can see how easy it is. And then by just like doing this locks over here on the side, just to the inside, this one goes inside. Remember not to put your fingers in it like I did, and then you will have this one right away all locked. Remember to lock this one, because these hooks over here, let me show you, these hooks over here are gonna be the ones that you're gonna put in a secure place. So just make sure that you have that support. Let's actually put it right here on the top. Okay, so we grab this one right here, make sure that it's in a good and stable place. We do this, we do that, we go to this part over here, make sure of course that this is where we want to be. And then let's say that we want to go like a super tall place or something like that. Let's say that this is a taller place, so I can do it in here because of this. But if I go over there, you'll find out that this one, you can just keep going and going. This thing goes super tall and far. It's so crazy how tall it goes. Let's actually see if I can do this. By the way, it's not heavy at all. It's so crazy that supports those 330 pounds being not that heavy. And we're almost there. We did it. This is so awesome, so big, so tall, and so many possibilities. Here now we have a better angle of this one. I gotta say that this thing with the wheels, with the 330 pounds capacity, with the big rubber pads on the base, so it makes sure that you're gonna be safe, you're gonna be stable, and also the 16.5 feet tall. Oh my god, this is so cool. Yeah, and even that, it's not as heavy, but it's really stable. So this is gonna be my new all-type, all-purpose ladder, extensible, telescopic, and ready to go and take with you to those work site, or whenever you need someone that need help for you to take this there. Take it. It's not gonna take you too much time and too much effort.